from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Henrico police need your help to solve two crimes and how one local teen is working toward his Eagle Scout status by helping an Eastern Henrico cemetery. We'll tell you more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Wednesday, September 7th, 2022, and it's brought to you today by the law firm of Barnes & Deal.
And now for the news.
Henrico police need your help with any information about two incidents that occurred recently. A pedestrian was struck in a hit-and-run incident in Eastern Henrico during the evening of September 5th. It took place about 11:12 p.m. in the 2300 block of Mechanicsville Turnpike. That's near Bloom Lane. A female was struck in the westbound travel lanes of Mechanicsville Turnpike. Police are seeking details about the driver of the vehicle that struck her. Also that same night in Eastern Henrico, police responded to Meadow Bridge Road near Savannah Avenue shortly after 8:30 p.m. for the report of gunshots in the area. They found 6 empty handgun bullet casings in the 500 block of Savannah Avenue in an abandoned home that had been struck by gunfire but didn't find any injured people. In both cases, if you have information, you should call Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers at 804-780-1000 or share your tips online at p3tips.com. And it's a story you may have missed last week on henricocitizen.com. A Varina Boy Scout who was struggling for an idea about a project that would allow him to become an Eagle Scout, found one when his dad told him about efforts to protect and repair the Woodland Cemetery in Eastern Henrico. 17-year-old David Parker of Life Scout Troop 501 in Varina felt a connection to the historic African American cemetery and was interested in the restoration work being done there. He's now building 8 benches for the cemetery, and he's among a handful of scouts who have chosen to volunteer at Woodland for their Eagle Scout projects. Read this story right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. Some changes coming to the county's oldest library. The Sandston Branch Library will close on September 12th for a renovation project that will last through the end of November. The project will provide more than $327,000 in upgrades, including new shelving to display books facing outward to showcase their covers, as well as enhancements to the browsing and wayfinding experience. During that closure, the mobile library service will visit the Sandston location in the parking lot on Fridays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The county's first public library stood at the site from 1923 to 1980. The current building was built that same year. Diesel gas prices are being reduced at all Sheetz locations in Virginia and elsewhere. The company announced yesterday that it will celebrate Truck Driver Appreciation Week, which is September 11th through 17th, by reducing diesel fuel prices to $4.49 through the end of September. The price change has been initiated at all 654 Sheetz stores that offer diesel fuel pumps. Well, every Saturday this month, West Broad Village is hosting the Giving Table, a food donation drive that will benefit Feed More. The event will run from noon to 5 p.m. each Saturday. And West Broad Village also will host Feed the Plate, an educational craft-based event, September 17th from 2 to 5 p.m. You can learn more by visiting westbroadvillage.com. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Barnes & Deal. Barnes & Deal has emerged as a highly respected family law firm over the past 3 decades with the resources, skills, and experience necessary to handle high-asset divorces and other complex family law matters across Virginia. To learn more, visit barnesfamilylaw.com, that's B-A-R-N-E-S, or call 796-1000.